Have you ever wondered if time is simply a straight line or if it moves in cycles? This question has intrigued thinkers for centuries. The linear perspective views time as a one-way progression from past to future. According to this view, each moment is unique, never to be repeated, leading to a sense of urgency in our actions and decisions. This perspective reinforces the idea of cause and effect, where the past influences the present and future. However, the cyclical view presents a contrasting notion, suggesting that time is repetitive and that events recur in predictable patterns. Cultures across the globe, from the ancient Mayans to Hindu philosophies, embrace this cyclical understanding, emphasizing regeneration and rebirth. This cyclical perspective can lend a sense of comfort, as it implies that life's challenges may not be final, but part of a larger rhythm. So which view resonates more with you? Is life a series of unique flashpoints, or are we eternal participants in an unending loop? Reflecting on your personal experiences might reveal which philosophy speaks to your understanding of existence. Ultimately, the nature of time may be less about defining it rigidly and more about how we relate to its flow.